Namaskar. We are going to discuss about MPSC Civil Services Examination. Keep in mind that MPSC Civil Services Examination, for that purpose, the first requirement is there that you should able to read, write and speak Marathi language fluently. Then only start preparation for MPSC examination. However, you can appear for paper in English medium also. Therefore, I am conducting out this seminar part in English. Now, in case of MPSC examinations, there are 3 stages. The first stage, that is prelim examination. Second, that is mains. And last, that is personality test or interview. In case of prelim examinations, 2 papers are there, paper 1 and paper 2. All papers are MCQ only, multiple choice questions. Whereas paper is printed on one side in English, other side in Marathi, same question. Paper 1 is comprising of general studies, that means physics, chemistry, biology, environmental science, history, national freedom struggle, geography, political science or Indian polity, and lastly economics. This is all academics part, whereas current affairs is additional topic over there. So like that, you have to prepare for 10 subjects in paper 1. You have to solve 100 questions in 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. Second, paper 2, which is comprising of aptitude test, where you have to solve arithmetics, that is simple arithmetics, logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, then data interpretation, communication, verbal communication, non-verbal communication, interpersonal communication, all these things. Then decision making, problem solving, and lastly comprehension skill. Nearly 50% paper is on comprehension skill. In short, you have to solve 80 questions in 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. But here they are going to check your knowledge of Marathi, and for that purpose 2 or 3 passages will be there. They don't have translation in English, only Marathi passage is there and you have to answer in Marathi. Whereas 2 to 3 passages will be there, they don't have English translation. They don't have Marathi translation. That is to check out knowledge of English. So comprehension skill, that is checking out your knowledge of English and Marathi in this fashion. Now this is something we are talking about preliminary examination, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is of 200 mark, paper 2 is of 200 mark. Negative marking, yes, it is there. 0.33 negative marking is there. That means 3 answers are wrong, they are going to cut mark of 1 question. So in case of paper 1, they are going to deduct 2 marks from for 3 mistakes. In case of paper 2, as 80 questions are there, each question carries 2.5 mark. So for 3 mistakes, they are going to deduct 2.5 marks from your score. So this is something we are talking about preliminary examination. In case of mains, those who are qualifying at preliminary examination, then they are eligible for mains. In case of mains also, now they have made large portion of paper in format of MCQ only. But in languages, certain part is there that is in form of written part, that is letter writing, essay writing, like that. And lastly, personality test. So this is the way we have to appear for MPSC. Now how to study, where to study, for that purpose, everything we have discussed in the seminar about UPSC Civil Services Examination. So for that purpose, I am giving you here link, and kindly connect out this with your UPSC. Now while preparation of MPSC only, can we prepare for UPSC? Answer is yes. At a time you can prepare both exam. No much difference is there. Many students are having confusion. They are saying that okay, first let me pass MPSC, then I will go for UPSC. No need. everything is almost same to same. Only difference is that, say for example, when we are talking of, say for example, economics, we have, in case of UPSC, union budget is there. In case of MPSC, we have to discuss union budget as well as state budget. If I am discussing history, then with special reference to Maharashtra, in case of MPSC. Geography with special reference to Maharashtra, like that. But chemistry, physics, like that subjects are there. There is no question that special reference to Maharashtra. Therefore, study is almost same. So if you are preparing for MPSC, then obviously you have to prepare for UPSC also. Try to get idea that I must prepare at a time both exam. For girls, keep in mind, no fees are charged by UPSC for examination. For boys, also keep in mind, only 100 rupees fees is charged by UPSC for examination. And therefore, it is recommended that go through the portion and appear at a time for both exams. Don't consider that my attempts will be preserved. No, you can appear simultaneously for both the exams. So in the description of this video, link is given, as well as this end screen now of video will give you a link of video. So go through that video for UPSC. There you will get how to study, where to study, all this data. Thanks for observing this video.